Wireless cameras are great tools for home surveillance. Many manufacturers nowadays produce cameras with cloud storage instead of a local one. Since this is a fairly new technology, not all wireless cameras are equipped with it. As a rule, this is a paid option. Some devices that offer free cloud storage come with limited features as the duration of recordings or period of time it's saved. In this article, we are talking about the best security cameras with free cloud storage.
We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Wyze WYZECP. The WYZECP and WYZECP indoor security camera is a new system that will help you keep your property secure. This system comes with a pan, tilt, and zoom feature, motion detector, and a remote control using the Wyze app. It is designed to provide protection for businesses, homeowners and renters by using a simple and intuitive system. This system has been designed to make the installation of the system quick and easy. The RadVision system uses a high-definition color video recording camera. It also features a digital control interface for easy access to the controls and an LCD screen. The pan and tilt motion detector allows you to adjust the angle of the system based upon the movement detected by the sensors. Night vision lets you see up to 30 feet. Night vision lets you see up to 30 in absolute darkness using 6 infrared, ear, LEDs. Note: ear does not work through glass windows. One Wyze cam can be shared with multiple family members so everyone can have access to its live stream and video recordings. Just have your family members download the Wyze app and invite them to your account. Camera sharing can also be easily removed. Number 2. Reolink E1. The Reolink E1 indoor wireless camera features high-quality Super HD video, which is provided by a 3M peak MOS sensor. The resolution of 2304 by 1296 p is more than enough to see everything in detail. It should be noted that the configuration is simple. Anyone who has a smartphone can install the camera and make all the necessary settings. Simple instructions require just a few steps and clicks on your smartphone, tablet or computer. Other features are 355 degrees pan and 50 degrees tilt, two-way audio, night mode, motion detection, siren or customizable voice alarm, remote live view anytime and anywhere. The camera is compatible with the most common operating systems: Windows, Android, iOS, iPhone, Mac. This camera supports scheduled or motion-triggered recording. You can store the videos on the micro SD card, up to 128 gigabytes, not included. You can realize 24/7 monitoring when connected with Reolink VR. Build your own security camera kit. Check and manage your home with just a voice command to Alexa or Google Assistant. Enjoy a smart and automated home. Your privacy is our priority. To protect you and your home, business against malicious intent, we use advanced algorithms to encrypt your videos. Number 3. Wansview Q5-W. Wansview Q5-W indoor security camera is equipped with built-in speaker and microphone, allowing you to speak directly to your households without having to use speakerphone. With 1080p Full HD resolution, Wansview Q5-W indoor security camera displays a clear, sharp live image, so you can keep track of your premises at any time, anywhere. Camera works with Alexa. Request Alexa to show you your front door, bedroom, or anywhere else in your house. With a built-in motion sensor, the Wansview Q5-W indoor security camera uses infrared motion detection to determine if someone enters or leaves your property. When someone enters the property, a vibration tone is emitted, and upon the subject's authorization, a live image is displayed on screen. Wansview wireless security camera supports micro SD card storage up to 128 gigabytes. Videos can be replayed in LAN network. Cloud storage to avoid the risk of losing footage from SD card. You can log in app to instantly pinpoint your footage through an intelligent timeline and play it back in seamless and brilliant quality. SD card is not included. Wansview home camera supports 4 users to view simultaneously on iPhone, Android phone, pad, PC software and tablet. You could share your camera with friends and family for good moments. Wansview Cloud app can manage multiple cameras and display 4 live videos on one screen, help you keep up with everything in your house. Number 4. Netvue Camera. This indoor camera supports customizable motion detection zones and adjustable motion sensitivity. Moreover, you will only receive notifications when human movement is detected. Useless movement caused by natural movement will be filtered out. This will greatly reduce annoying false alerts. To reduce motion change in case of failure, you can disable some detection zones and adjust the detection sensitivity using the Netvue app. And you will receive instant alerts as soon as movement is detected. Equipped with a high-quality built-in microphone and noise-cancelling chip, the Netvue wireless camera brings you clear and smooth communication. Netvue motion sensor camera with night vision is built with an 1080p FHD camera that provides you with clear and crisp recordings that you can watch remotely in real time through the mobile app Netvue. Thanks to the 36mm lens of this outdoor security camera, which also offers a 180° viewing angle. In addition, you can get live FHD video during the day and night through its infrared LEDs, allowing you to see up to 60 feet of video even in the pitch dark. Netvue IP Camera Wireless Outdoor uses AWS Amazon Web Services Cloud to provide up to 30 days of cloud storage or record continuously to a micro SD card, not included, up to 128 gigabytes, regardless of motion and sound. Both can replay 14 days videos. Also, this surveillance camera will secure your data storage and every significant moment, protect your privacy with bank levels 256-bit encryption and TLS encryption protocol. Number 5. Reolink Go. Reolink Go is a standalone mobile outdoor IP camera. Works in 4G LTE and 3G networks. Ideal solution for video monitoring without cords in case of network failures, in locations with limited or no Wi-Fi access. Reolink Go is powered by a 7800 mAh lithium rechargeable battery. The camera can be placed anywhere. Use your camera on a construction site, on a boat, observe wildlife, or take on a trip. You can connect the camera to the Reolink's solar panel to get uninterrupted power. Starlight night vision captures the finest details even in low light conditions, up to 10 meters. Reolink Go withstands rain, thunderstorms, extreme cold or heat. An intelligent ear sensor detects if something is wrong and triggers alerts. This outdoor security camera supports 4G LTE networks, so you can insert a 4G LTE SIM card and install it anywhere. With a detachable battery, supports working for 6 months, and solar-powered options, you'll never worry about it running out of juice. Keep an eye on any places like construction sites, farms, warehouses or your remote property anytime and anywhere, and share live streaming with your family members or friends. Reolink security camera system supports up to 12 people to live view it at the same time. Thanks to built-in mix speaker, you can talk with people remotely in real time right through the free Reolink app and client. Number 6. Blurams Outdoor Pro. The Blurams Outdoor Security Camera comes loaded with some of the most popular features and options. The camera control is done using a simple voice command interface from either your smartphone or tablet, which will synchronize with your home automation system. Other noteworthy upgrades in Blurams Outdoor Security Camera include superior weatherproof design, facial recognition, high resolution, crystal clear night vision, high-definition recording and many more. Equipped with Sony CMOS sensor and 2 high-power infrared LEDs and ear-cut filter, Blurams security camera captures and records high-definition images and video even in the dark. Captures clear movement at least 32 feet distance. IP65 rating makes Blurams outdoor camera ideal for both outside or inside use. It will keep recording in rain, 4 degrees F freezing winter or 122 degrees F scorching summer, providing a safe and reliable home security monitoring.